Hi guys. Okay, so those of you that follow me on Instagram know I'm like skincare obsessed, and I thought why not show you on my first YouTube channel skincare routine or beauty routine as a mixture of masks that I recently got and that I love. I'm all about using clean products, mainly because I break out easily and have very sensitive skin. And it's also combo skin. So this is what I'm trying right now. It's called Eminence. If you can see. Actually, the PR company introduced me to this product. Love it. This is definitely sponsored, but not paid sponsor. So it's only product sponsored. Anyway, so I want to show you two products. It's called Clear Skin Probiotic Mask. So this is, it's mainly for oily areas, and I have a combo skin, so I like to mix masks, and I highly suggest that too for most people. And this one is called Pumpkin Latte Hydration Mask. So first of all, the probiotic one smells like yogurt. So I'll show you what I do. So I started doing polygel nails, and I don't like my masks inside my nails, so I like to use these scoops. So what I would do is pretty much the T-zone. Remove the hair away from the face. Oh, I have a mirror down here, so that's why I'm looking down. If you also get redness, I highly recommend yogurt-based masks because like they cool you down. Also, for some weird reason, the dairy in most product in the yogurt kind of cools and calms your skin down. I remember my mom used to always tell me like milk is good for washing your face after you cleanse your skin, because like it moisturizes and like clarifies for some weird reason. But yeah, right now I currently have a lot of breakouts happening in between seasons and things like that. Breaks out my skin. So right now I'm gonna cover here because it's really oily, and sometimes this chin area, like around my mouth, I feel like I always get breakouts. So weird. Like you see the cupid's bow, and this area is so annoying. So yeah. Oh god. Maybe a little more. So just so you know, you shouldn't double dip, but I just did. Your jar, because your skin probably has bacteria, and if you double dip, then you're introducing the bacteria into the jar. So please try not to. So I'm gonna move on to the pumpkin latte mask, where I need some hydration. So usually in this area, it's like really dehydrated. Alright, you know what? I'm just gonna do it like this. So I'm gonna put a whole lot. Oh, it smells like pumpkin. It smells so delicious. I love this. Well, this brand is pretty awesome because it's like organic, natural. It feels like I made my own mask. But here's the thing: if you're mask free like I am, you know, like it's cheaper to make it on your own, but it's really time consuming, especially if you're trying to do multiple masks. Making sure like you mix everything, and if you want to do it like every day or like often, then you always have to have the ingredients. Like for example, I don't really eat yogurt, so I have to buy yogurt, and that's really annoying for me. And where are you gonna find like pumpkin paste all year round? That's not really me either. So here you go. So you leave it on. I know, I look crazy. But you leave it on for a good 5 to 10 minutes. So it suggests, but I like to put it on for like a good 5 minutes because this area will be very dried out. Right now it's like mentholated feeling around this area. It's like cooling and mentholated. And this area kind of feels like I put just cooling gel. So you'll see how it turns out after 5 to 10 minutes. Alright guys, freshly washed face. Just so you know, you should never like rub your face. You should also like tap the water, excess water out, because it could really ruin your skin and it could enlarge your pores. Based on my research, it's always best to be gentle, as if you're handling a baby to your skin. So with that said, you shouldn't wait too long after this mask. It feels so nice. I feel like, yeah, but it's not super dry like before the mask. So this is nice. I'm gonna top it off with their stonecrop hydrating mist, and I'm just gonna split her. Oh, okay. I'm starting to smell real good. So, okay, smells like green. It smells like nature. So lastly, same thing. It says firm skin Acai moisturizer. Okay, I know I look younger, but I'm not that young, and I'm not that old, but I feel like once you hit your like 25-ish, you need to start taking care of your skin. So I like to just like rub it on my face, because I feel like this is how I can be more gentle to my skin. So I just like, I'm very slow, and treat yourself like a princess, like a royalty. Okay, it's probably not a good idea to pull away, because you're supposed to pull inward, but I don't know why I always do that. Just around the eye area, I would highly recommend to like dab. And this moisturizer is very absorbent, so don't ever forget the neck. Gentle, gentle, gentle. As I'm doing this, I'm like telling myself gentle, gentle, gentle in my head. I actually do that all the time, because my mom used to be always like, stop rubbing your skin. So anyway, for those of you know, my mom, she looks so young and she is so beautiful. Okay, if you have extra time, I highly recommend, for after all that product and all, just tap your skin, like play a little. Oh, I forgot to share one more thing. I actually need to put on sunscreen, because this is pre-makeup. I know I decided to do a whole routine before makeup. I'm also going to see my girls today, so I wanted to do a little oomph, because I haven't really done good self-care in a while. I also traveled through Europe, which I have a video of. You should check it out. And just came back from Dallas not so long ago, and that was a beautiful wedding. So yeah, same thing with this is sunscreen. This is Lilikoi Mineral Defense Sports Sunscreen, SPF 30. But oh my gosh, this does not smell like a sunscreen. Oh, this is lovely, like lovely. But hey, always wear sunscreen, no matter whether there's sun or not. So that's it for all these cool and an awesome Eminence products video. So if you like this video, make sure to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll be showing you more products, and yeah, talk to you soon. Bye.